Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. If you're brand new to YouTube and you've never created videos on this platform before, it can seem really intimidating, especially at the beginning. And I think one of the biggest hurdles is actually showing your face on video. Now, there are many reasons why you might not want to show your face, whether this is something that is really scary for you, you're nervous, or maybe it's due to privacy concerns, or maybe there's just some other personal reasons that you do not want to show your face on video. Now, I myself have went through this myself, but you don't have to show your face on your videos if you don't want to. And so today I'm going to be showing you the top 3 ways to make YouTube videos without showing your face. And so the first and most popular type of video you can make without showing your face is screen recordings. And my favorite tool to do that is OBS. This is a free and open source software that is extremely powerful, and it not only allows you to do screen recordings like this, but also many other types of videos. And for all these 3 types of videos I'm going to show you today, all of it was done using OBS. And the reason why screen recordings for me are so awesome is because the type of videos you can make is practically limitless because you're recording everything on your screen. So whether you want to show people something on your browser, right here on your desktop, on an application that you're using, whatever the case might be, you could do all of that through this simple screen recording method. So that's the first, and I would feel my favorite way to do videos without showing your face is just by simply recording your screen. So the second type of videos you could create without showing your face is, of course, gameplay. This is by far one of the most popular type of video content out there on YouTube, and it's that way for a reason because people love playing video games, I myself included. And when it comes to video game content, you have a variety of options available. Whether you want to do something simple like what I have here with a simple retro game recording, or you could go more high-end where you create content with higher frame rates and higher video quality, or of course you could do live gameplay where you're playing games with other fellow gamers and sharing that with your gaming community. The type of video game content you create is practically endless, and it's just so much fun to create.
For all your email management needs, check out Aweber, the preferred choice used by geekoutdoors.com. Sign up today and get a 30-day free trial. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.
And so the final type of video you could create without showing your face is one that is more audio focused. And I think the easiest way to do that is to simply use OBS to do screen recording. But instead of recording your entire screen, you could simply put up a static image like this, or maybe a video that loops over and over with the main focus being your audio. And the best thing is you could take this same content and then take the audio and put it on other platforms like iTunes and create a podcast out of that. And so those are my top 3 ways in which you could create videos without showing your face. And as you're probably seeing here, the type of videos you could create is practically limitless. And it just goes to show that you don't necessarily have to show your face if you don't want to create YouTube videos. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you had any other ideas on how to create content without showing your face, I'd like to know that as well. And if you wanted to see my entire YouTube journey, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well if you are interested. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.